Hello, my name is Tori Cota-Robles, and I want to thank you for joining me for this guided meditation, activating our inner divine light to co-create a global web of healing energy. Close your eyes and come into stillness. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath like waves lapping against the shores of your soul. Breathe in deeply and exhale completely. Let all thoughts, all identities, and all concerns begin to dissolve. As you silently say, I open this space in alignment with the highest light, love, and divine truth. I now enter sacred communion with my soul, with the earth, and with all life. Visualize a circle of golden white light forming around you. Above you, a column of light connects your crown to the stars. Below, roots of light extend from your spine deep into the crystalline heart of the earth. You are now anchored in both heavens and the earth. You are the bridge between worlds. Bring your awareness into your heart center. Visualize within it a golden orb, like a miniature sun. This orb is your divine solar light, a fractal of the eternal source. With each inhale, the sun begins to expand, growing larger, warmer, brighter. It pulses with the frequency of your true self, radiant, infinite, compassionate. Feel it moving through you. Air, clearing your mind and activating divine insight. Fire, igniting your purpose and courage. Water, opening your emotional body to compassion. Earth, grounding your light into the physical world. Now feel your solar heart become a radiant star, illuminating your entire auric field. Say to yourself, I am the light. I am the love. I am the harmony. I am the healing. From your heart center, send filaments of light outward. These threads connect you to every other soul choosing love, peace, and healing. Together you are weaving the web of living light, a luminous lattice that stretches around the planet and beyond, linking heart to heart, soul to soul, galaxy to galaxy. As this web forms, feel the energy rise in frequency. You are now participating in a planetary ascension grid powered by pure love, sacred intention, and unified consciousness. You are no longer meditating alone. You are joined by enlightened beings from the inner planes. Star nations observing and assisting Earth's evolution. Ancestors, angels, ascended masters. Each being emits light codes, streams of consciousness encoded in color, vibration, and geometry that now flow into the grid. You can feel them enter your field. Let them recalibrate you. Let them awaken your remembrance. Visualize Gaia, Mother Earth, as a living crystalline orb surrounded by this sacred light grid. See her rivers like silver arteries, her mountains glow with golden veins of wisdom, her oceans shimmer with deep sapphire light. Her forests breathe emerald auras of life. From your heart, offer light to the earth. Imagine sending her rainbows of frequency. Emerald green, healing and renewal. Aquamarine, emotional cleansing and clarity. Violet flame, transmutation of pain into grace. Gold, divine wisdom and sovereignty. Diamond white, unity, purity, divine love. As a collective, we now speak. Gaia, we bless you. We honor you. We heal you. We remember our sacred bond. Visualize the light you've offered flowing into the Earth's ley lines, her energy centers, her sacred sites, reactivating them, returning them to harmony. Now see all of humanity as one vast glowing body. Millions of light hearts beating in unison. Visualize every person, regardless of background, awakening to their divine spark within them. Watch as their hearts ignite one by one until humanity becomes a field of living starlight. Visualize those suffering or in fear being gently held within orbs of light, comforted, uplifted, remembered. Send them your love as a soothing, radiating balm of healing light. As a prayer, say softly in your heart, we are one light. We are one family. I send love to all of humanity, all beings across this earth. Now allow your awareness to rise into the higher dimensions. You arrive at the temple of eternal light, a metaphysical sanctuary made of celestial architecture. It shimmers with crystalline walls, glowing pillars of flame, and domes made of radiating starlight. Within the temple, sacred codes float in the air, sacred geometries of divine order and infinite potential. At the center of the temple is the sacred flame of one, a living light that pulses with the truth of all that is. Stand before this flame. Let it see you. Let it remember you. Now offer your personal healing intention and offer your collective prayer for humanity and Earth. Let it be absorbed into the flame, magnified 1,000-fold. Feel the temple blessing you, attuning you to your highest soul path. Receive its gift, perhaps a word, a symbol, an image, or a feeling. Allow it to imprint into your heart center. Now return to the web of light. Together we initiate a planetary light activation. Feel light surging from every node of the web. See it flowing through the hearts of humanity down into the earth, into the animal and plant kingdoms, into the oceans, and back out into the cosmos. The earth is glowing like a sun. Humanity is reborn as a symphony of souls in harmony. You are assisting to repattern the entire vibrational field of this planet. Hold this vision. Be this anchor. You are the ceremony. Say, as I breathe, the earth breathes. As I shine, humanity awakens. As we unite, the world is healed. Begin to bring your awareness gently back into your physical body. Feel your breath. Feel your heart beating. Feel the light still radiating within and around you. Know that you carry this light forward into the world with every word, thought, and action, becoming an offering to Earth and all beings. Take a final deep inhaling breath and slowly open your eyes upon exhale. You are the temple now. You are the web. You are the flame.